Hey everybody.
Hi everybody. Alrighty then, so my first wreath. Oh my gosh. Here we go. I can't believe that she talked me into it.
And I talked him into getting on here and showing you guys what he's planning on doing.
So I'm going to be doing a fall wreath tonight. We're getting ready now. I'm going to go ahead and start doing my prep. And I'm going to show you guys what I've picked out to start with. Now, we've already determined there's a ribbon that we don't have that I do want to incorporate. So we've added that to our next Craig Bachman order. So this wreath won't be finished tonight. We are going to start it tonight and get halfway there at least. And then that order from Bachman is supposed to come in at the end of the week or Monday next week, either Friday or Monday. And then I'll be able to do my ribbons, my bows, and everything. I'm going to do that then.
Hi, Mary Lou.
Hi, Mary Lou. So I'll show y'all what I've got picked out for now. So I am going to do it on a 14-inch wireframe base. So for my base mesh, I'm going to use this 21-inch teal foil mesh. That's going to be my base. And then this poly jute with the chocolate copper foil. I'm going to be doing some ruffles with that, incorporating it. And then this two-tone orange. I'm going to have some rolls I'm going to incorporate with that. Now this is my plan. Now my plan is subject to go totally out the window once we get started, but we shall see. So the ribbon, like I said, the ribbon is not going to be done tonight because we got to wait for that other one to come in. But I'm going to use this 4-inch orange tan stripe ribbon with this metallic orange ribbon. Hold still.
It was so cute watching him run around trying to pick stuff out in colors that he wants to do.
And then this tan 1.5-inch royal canvas ribbon. And then the other one, you know what? Let me pull it up real quick. 2.5-inch teal faux Dupioni. Am I saying that right? I always wonder. Okay. So we got to wait for that one to come in on our order, and then I'll be able to do my bows and stuff. I'm going to be using the orange Happy Fall Y'all sign. And
He's running around earlier looking for teal ribbon, and he's like, why don't we have any teal ribbon?
yeah, I'm like, come on, like, shouldn't we have that in our store? And then I've got these fabric pumpkins that Melissa picked out. I don't know where you got these.
Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree. So got some Dollar Tree pumpkins.
I've seen those at Dollar Tree, and you know, you got to snag them. You can use those for all different kind of things. So I had to snag some of those up.
So I got the brown, the orange, and the teal pumpkins. And then, hold still. I hope it cooperates with me better when I'm making a bow than it does on the table. Then we got these glittery pumpkins.
I just got those yesterday at Walmart. Oh, again, I seen those, and you always got to grab pumpkins.
And this pick with some fall leaves and berries. So I'm going to be...
I can't even remember where I got that from. I got that last year.
But yeah, like I said, that's going to be my base. I'll be doing the poof base with the teal mesh. And then the orange, I'm going to do rolls. And then the jute,
with the chocolate foil, I'm going to be doing ruffles. So I think I'm going to be doing like every other roll, a jute, ruffle, every other one. And what I really want to try to do, I told Melissa, I want to try to make sure that we can still see this teal base after we get the rolls and the ruffles in there, because I still want it to stand out. Because we're going to have the teal pumpkins and we're going to have the teal ribbon that I'm going to have in the bow when it gets in, and I still want to be able to see the base and have that kind of all meshed together. So that's kind of my plan right now, and we'll see how it goes when we get started and see how much that changes.
He's trying not to be like me and cover it all up.
But I got a good teacher, and
You have a lot of good teachers.
yeah, and so I'm looking forward to it, and you know, hopefully it turns out okay.
It will turn out okay.
So I'm gonna get started prepping. I think we're gonna go ahead and jump off here, and yep. So with that said, we'll see y'all tonight.
See you guys tonight, ladies.
Have a great day.